Good morning, students. This is CR Sir, Mathematics. Today I am going to discuss properties of triangle, mains 2019 questions. See the first question, what they are given with the usual notation in triangle ABC. If angle A plus angle B is equal to 120 degrees, small a given, small b given, then find the ratio of angle A is to angle B. If we know angle A minus angle B, then automatically we get angle A value and angle B value. What is angle A minus angle B related formula? That is tangent rule. What is tangent rule formula? Already you know very well, I think. If you don't know, listen. Tan of A minus B by 2, that is equal to A minus B divided by A plus B into cot of C by 2. This is. But we know that angle A plus angle B is 120 degrees. Now in triangle, we know that angle A plus angle B plus angle C 180 degrees. Now what is angle C? 180 minus angle A plus angle B. Angle A plus angle B is 120 degrees. 180 minus 120, 60 degrees. Now small a value, small b and capital C value substitute here. We get A minus B, angle A minus angle B. See here, A minus B root 3 plus 1 minus root 3 plus 1 divided by root 3 plus 1 plus root 3 minus 1 cot C by 2. Angle C is 60, C by 2 means 30 degrees. Now see the calculation here. Numerator will come, these two cancel, 2 by denominator also, these two cancel, we get 2 root 3. Then what is cot 30 degrees? Cot 30 degrees is root 3. So finally, by observing the calculation, we get 1. So tan of A minus B by 2 is equal to 1. That means, what is A minus B by 2? 45 degrees. Tan 45 degrees is 1 now. That's A minus B, that is equal to 90 degrees. Already given in the question, A plus B is 120 degrees. Now, both add, then we get 2A is equal to 90 plus 120 to 1 degrees. Then what is A? A is equal to 105 degrees. Similarly, A value substitute any one of the equation, you will get B 15 degrees. But they are asking angle A is to angle B, that is equal to 105 degrees is equal to, ratio 105 ratio 15 degrees. Now see the calculation, what will come? So 15 sevens are 105, 15 ones are 15. So finally answer is 7:1. So which option is correct? First option is correct. So this is a very easy question, but remember it, this formula. This is tangent rule. Okay, right. Students, I'm going to next question. See the next question, what they are given. In a triangle, the sum of the lengths of two sides is x and the product of the lengths of the same two sides is y. If x square minus c square is equal to y, where c is the length of the third side of the triangle, then circumradius of the triangle. Circumradius is denoted by capital R. So we need to find capital R value. Take one triangle. This is a triangle. Now this is A, this is B, this is C. So small a opposite. This is capital A, capital B, and capital C. Observe the question. C is the third side already given. X is equal to sum of two sides given. Y is equal to product of same sides given. This is. And they are given one condition. X square minus c square is equal to y. Substitute here. X means a plus b whole square minus c square is equal to y means ab. So in left hand side, that is in the form of a square minus b square. Apply the formula a plus b plus c into a plus b minus b. That is equal to ab. Already we know that a plus b plus c means 2s into here a plus b means 2s minus c and minus c. That is equal to ab. And observe the left hand side. 2s minus c means it is 2s minus 2c. 2 take common, we get s into s minus c. Right hand side ab send left hand side. And here left hand side 4 send to right hand side. We get 1 by 4. Now observe that s into s minus c by ab means what is the formula? That is cos square c by 2. That is equal to 1 by 4 given. 1 by 4 means what we will take? Cos square 45 degrees or not? Cos square 60 degrees. Cos square 60 degrees. This is, I am writing 1 by 2 whole square. 1 by 2 means cos square 60. Finally, observe that what is angle C? By comparing both, C by 2 is equal to 60. Then C is equal to 120. This is. Okay. Now, what is the area of triangle formula? Delta is equal to half AB sine C. Why I am taking this formula means C, angle C already given 120 degrees. Just to substitute half AB sine 120 degrees. 120 means we can write 180 minus 60. Okay, 180 minus 60 means second quadrant, it is positive. Sine 60 root 3 by 2. Now, finally, what is delta value? 4 delta value root 3 AB. Okay, but we need to find circumradius. What is circumradius formula? That is capital R is equal to ABC by 4 delta. ABC 4 delta value already we got root 3 AB. So here AB cancel. AB is cancelled. Now what is the remaining? Capital R is equal to C by root 3. This is circumradius of the triangle. So observe the options. Which option is correct? Second option is correct. This is also easy question, but calculation do carefully. Okay. Now Third problem. What they are given third problem? The angles A, B, and C of a triangle ABC are in AP. Angles are in AP series given. A, B, C. See, these are capital letters. Angles are in AP series. Then what is the condition? 2B is equal to A plus C. 2B is equal to A plus C. Already we know that A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees or not? Angle A plus angle B plus angle C 180 degrees. If A plus B substituted 2B, 2B plus B, we get 3B. 3B is equal to 180 degrees. Now B is equal to 60 degrees. So you have to remember it directly. If A, B, C are in AP series, what is angle B? 60 degrees. Directly you can remember. Next. See the question what they are given. A is to B given. A is to B. That is equal to 1 is to root 3. So we can assume that A value is X, or suppose B value root 3x, and already C value given, that is 4 centimeters. Now here we have to find first X value. How to find? Take cosine formula. Cos B is equal to, what is the formula? C square plus A square minus B square divided by 2CA. This is cosine rule formula. Why I am taking cos B value means B angle 60 degrees, already we know that. Cos 60 how much? 1 by 2. C 4 4s are 16 plus x square minus 3x square divided by 2CA. 2 4s are 8. Overall 8x will come. So 2 4s are 8, cancel. Take cross multiplication. What happens? See, 4x is equal to 16 minus 2x square. 2x square plus 4x minus 16 is equal to 0. 2 take common. X square plus 2x minus 8 is equal to 0. So here observe that split into factors. Split into factors. So how much will come? X square plus 4x plus 2x minus 8 is equal to 0. I think finally this is x minus 2 into x plus 4, that is equal to 0. So here x value is 2 or minus 4. Okay, but here x is the length of the side of a triangle. So that's why negative value is not exist, only positive value will be exist. So x is equal to 2 is exist. Now what is the area of triangle formula? Delta is equal to half CA sine B. This is half. C means 4, A means x. X value is 2, sine 60 root 3 by 2. So 2, 2, 4, 4, 4 cancel. What is the answer finally? So area of triangle is 2 root 3. This is a calculation problem, but do the calculation carefully. We get answer easily. This is a third option is correct. See the fourth question. Given B plus C by 11 is equal to C plus A by 12, that is equal to A plus B by 13. For a triangle ABC, with usual notation, if cos A by alpha is equal to cos B by beta is equal to cos C by gamma, then the ordered triad alpha, beta, gamma has a value. That means the ratio of cosine angle we want to find. Cos A is to cos B is to cos C. But this is important question, either mains or MSET, whatever may be. So many times given in the examination. See the question. So they are given ratio here, B plus C by something. So there is equal to 3 terms equal to take some constant. Now B plus C is equal to 11T. C plus A is equal to 12T. A plus B is equal to 13T. What is T here? T belongs to for all real numbers. Okay, now add these three equations. Each term will be repeated. We get 2 into A plus B plus C. That's equal to 11T plus 12T, 23T plus 13, 36T, 36T. Now what is A plus B plus C? That is equal to 2 ones are 2, 2 eights are 16. So we are getting A plus B plus C value 18T. But we want A value. A, how we get? A is equal to, so A plus B plus C is equal to 18T and B plus C is 11T. Both these two subtract. That means A plus B plus C minus B plus C. So observe here, this is 18T minus 11T. We get 7T. Okay. Similarly, B also, A plus B plus C minus C plus A. That is 18T minus 12T. How much we get? 60. Okay. Similarly, find small c also. C means A plus B plus C minus A plus B. That is equal to 18T minus 13T. That is equal to, overall after subtraction we get 5T. Now I am going to find that cos A value. Cos A formula, what is that? B square plus C square minus A square by 2BC. Substitute those values. B square means 60, 36 T square. C square means 25 T square minus A square means 49 T square divided by 2 into B 60, C 5T. Take the numerator T square common and denominator T square is going to cancel, and calculate the total term. You will get answer 1 by 5. Do the calculation yourself. This is not difficult, easy only. Now cos B, what is the formula? First here A is set, so negative value is A. B is set, negative value is B will come. Remaining positive. After B, what will come? C square plus A square minus B square. Numerator positive terms, whatever is there, those terms will come in denominator, C and A. Those values substitute, we get C square. C square means 25T square plus 49T square minus 36T square. Denominator 2, C means 5T, A means 70. Do the calculation. Finally, you'll get 19 divided by 35. Now, I'm going to find cos C. Tell me what is cos C formula? A square plus B square minus C square by 2AB. This is the formula. Substitute those values here. So we get 49T square plus 36t square minus 25t square divided by 2, 70. B means 6t. Overall, numerator and denominator, do the calculation. We get 5 by 7. Now, we need to find cos A is to cos B is to cos C. Cos A is to cos B is to cos C. Cos A value we got 1 by 5 ratio 19 by 35 ratio 5 by 7. See the denominator, we need 35 each and every term. So multiply and divide with, multiply numerator and denominator with 7, we get 35 here. This is already 35 is there, no need to change. Here numerator and denominator multiply with 5. 5 sevens are 35. See the denominator is same, eliminate that. Finally you will get 7 is to 19 is to 25. So cos A divided by 7, that is equal to cos B divided by 19, that is equal to cos C divided by 25. By observing the problem, alpha, beta, gamma values, that is 7, 19, 25. This is a very important question. And which option is correct? 7, 19, 25. First option is correct. I think all of you understood now. Please like the channel and subscribe the channel, share to your friends. Okay, thank you.